There we go. Hello guys, it's me, Trevor and Raiko, and our special guest, Nikki.
Not a special guest.
I mean,
Where are you?
and yes,
Where are
I'm at level 0, and we are playing.
There you are.
We are playing the Backrooms Redacted. And yes, this... Oh yeah, guys, did you know I am only allowed to record at 15 minutes?
Yeah. I don't know. Sorry. I haven't met you in a long time. Okay.
Why is there a bald guy?
Let's try and go to the red rooms.
Yo. Oh, I thought I'm lost.
Yup.
There's a land there.
You dare to go to the red rooms?
I am already...
You want-
Yo, I can fit here. No, my head.
Red rooms now.
We're at
I
the
can
red
fit
room.
there. Do not... Ano yan?
Sarap, baka.
No.
Baka nga yan.
Wag... Trevor, don't go there! If you die, it's not our fault. Yo, there's many entities there.
Can... Oh, I forgot. Wait. What the...
Trevor?
What?
Wait, where are you right now?
Where the heck am I? Oh, there we go.
Oh, there you are.
I'm going there. I need to change avatars. I need to change avatars real quick.
Let's go to spawn.
Oh yeah, gadgets. Me is tablet. Raiko is tablet 2. And Nikki is my brother's cell phone. Just do not ask why.
Ano, Trev? Yung
Ah.
gamit mo.
Huh?
That
Ano yung
thing
gamit mo?
is because
I'm grounded.
Uwi na sila, kuya.
What? What do you mean I'm going home?
May gamit ka ba dito?
Uwi na po kayo ni Trevor.
Wait, Kuya Mark. Okay, I'm ending the video. So, bye-bye.